Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to start another topic on the chapter 3, that is private, public and global enterprises. We have already discussed the different forms of public sector undertakings, that are departmental undertaking, public corporations or statutory corporations and government companies. In today's video we will discuss and differentiate about these three forms and also study about the private and public sector that prevails in our economy. So if we do a comparison between the different forms of public sector enterprises, that is departmental undertaking, public corporation, government company, the first basis of difference is the formation. Departmental undertaking are formed by the ministry as a department of government. Like railways अगर हम फॉर्म कर रहे हैं तो दे आर फॉर्म्ड एज अ डिपार्टमेंट विच वर्क अंडर अ स्पेसिफिक मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट. बट इन केस ऑफ पब्लिक कॉर्पोरेशन they pass a special act either in parliament or in state legislature. They pass a special act for that public corporation to form that. And in case of government company, the company has to get itself registered by the Companies Act 2013. Only then it can be formed or incorporated. लीगल स्टेटस की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो डिपार्टमेंट अंडरटेकिंग वर्क अंडर गवर्नमेंट कंट्रोल, फुल गवर्नमेंट कंट्रोल, एंड दे डोंट हैव एनी अदर एग्जिस्टेंस दैन गवर्नमेंट. They have no separate legal entity, but both the public corporation and government companies enjoys the benefit of separate legal entity. That means they can enter into contracts by their own name. Next is the difference on the basis of finance, like how the organization or that undertaking is going to get the funds for utilization. So departmental undertakings get the finance from budgetary allocations. गवर्नमेंट जब बजट बनाती है तो उसी में हर डिपार्टमेंट के लिए बजट एलोकेट कर देती है. लाइक रेलवेज विल गेट दिस मच, हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट विल गेट दिस मच, एजुकेशन विल गेट दिस मच. सो इट इज़ टोटली फाइनेंस्ड बाय द गवर्नमेंट. पब्लिक कॉर्पोरेशन गेट फंड फ्रॉम गवर्नमेंट बट दे कैन ऑल्सो बोरो इंडिपेंडेंटली. गवर्नमेंट कंपनीज हैव सेपरेट फाइनेंसिंग. गवर्नमेंट ऑल्सो टेक शेयर्स, गवर्नमेंट से ही पैसा मिलेगा. दे कैन सेल देयर शेयर्स टू जनरल पब्लिक, दे कैन इशू डिबेंचर्स, दे कैन रेज लोन फ्रॉम बैंक्स. सो देयर इज a major window for private sector's participation as well. Then management and control की अगर हम बात करें तो department undertaking are totally under the control of the government official from the concerned industry. But public corporations and government companies have board of directors which are nominated by the government. But in case of government company, another difference is there, that private individuals can also be the director. Since government companies need to have at least 51% shareholding, the rest can be of private sector, so there can be private directors as well in a government company. When we talk about the staff of departmental undertaking, they are civil servants. They are the civil service code is applicable on them. They get remuneration, leaves on the basis of the civil service code. Public corporations में government servants नहीं है. They have separate contract of service, and same is in the case of government company. They have their own separate set of contract for the services. Autonomy or the freedom of work. In departmental undertaking there is no freedom. There is strict control of government. Public corporation has comparatively more freedom. They have administrative autonomy. Government doesn't interfere in day-to-day work. And government companies have further more freedom when it comes to the autonomy level. Ownership of departmental undertaking is totally under government. Public corporation में भी again it is totally under government. But private companies, government companies में minimum 51% is by government. The rest can be either by private sector or by the government itself. Public accountability. The departmental undertaking, as they are working directly under a ministry, they are highly responsible. They are totally accountable for each and everything that they do. Public corporations are not directly responsible to public, but they are accountable to parliament. And government companies are accountable towards their ministry concern. Flexibility of operations. Flexibility means कितने अपने according decisions को mold किया जा सकता है. It directly relates with the autonomy level. Since departmental undertaking has less autonomy, they will have less flexibility. Public corporation has comparatively more autonomy, they will have more flexibility. And government company are most flexible, they have the most autonomy, in all these three, so they will have more flexibility in the operations. Last point is suitability. So departmental undertaking are suitable for works like defense, post and telecom, broadcasting, where the government wants strict control or the government wants to maintain the secrecy. Public corporations are good for industry and commercial enterprises of national priority, एंड गवर्नमेंट कंपनीज उस फील्ड में बनाए जाते हैं जहाँ पे हमें पब्लिक पार्टिसिपेशन या फॉरेन कैपिटल का इन्वेस्टमेंट हमें चाहिए, तो वहाँ पे हम लोग फॉर्म कर सकते हैं गवर्नमेंट कंपनीज. नेक्स्ट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन प्राइवेट एंड पब्लिक कंपनी. प्राइवेट कंपनी वो कंपनी होती है, प्राइवेट सेक्टर एंड पब्लिक सेक्टर से. नाउ मेक श्योर दैट यू डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज बिटवीन प्राइवेट एंड पब्लिक कंपनी एंड प्राइवेट सेक्टर एंड पब्लिक सेक्टर. Private company and public company both comes under private sector only. But private sector and public sector are two different things. Private sector is that sector in which ownership is in hand of private investors, and under public sector the ownership is in hand of government. So formation, सबसे पहला difference आता है on the basis of formation. तो private sector has to follow a long process, but government doesn't have to follow the long process because they are the people who have to give sanctions to everyone. So these can be created in short time. Objective of private sector is to earn profit. On the other hand, that of the public sector is to provide services to general public. Management of private sector is done by board of directors who are usually professional experts. But in case of public sector, these are managed by board of directors who are representative of government. Capital of private sector is contributed by owners and investors, whereas the capital of public sector invested by government itself. Freedom of operation, प्राइवेट सेक्टर में कंपैरेटिवली हाई है बिकॉज दे डोंट हैव टू गेट पेपर वर्क फॉर एवरी सिंगल थिंग, बट इन पब्लिक सेक्टर देयर इज लेस फ्रीडम, देयर आर मेनी रिस्ट्रिक्शंस इन डूइंग एनी डे टू डे बिजनेस. अकाउंटेबिलिटी की बात करें तो प्राइवेट सेक्टर इज नॉट डायरेक्टली रिस्पॉन्सिबल टू जनरल पब्लिक, दे आर नॉट डायरेक्टली अकाउंटेबल और they are not responsible to give answer to general public, but public sector is under government and government is directly accountable to the public of a nation. If we differentiate both of them on the basis of employees, so private sector have their own employees, private employees, they set their own rules regarding remuneration, regarding their recruitment, so everything is done by themselves. And for public sector, there are government rules for everything regarding recruitment, regarding remuneration and everything. Performance evaluation, if we have to judge the performance of any firm of private sector, we judge it on the basis of the economic gains, like how much amount of profit that a particular firm has earned. But the public sector has to be judged not only on profit but also on the services or the welfare that it has done during the time span. So these were the difference between the different forms of public sector enterprises and also between the private sector and public sector. In the next video we will discuss about the global enterprises. Till then, take care and have a great day.